Okay guys, so today we're gonna kill pretty little I love you bear with pretty big axe. We're gonna smash him to pieces and tear him up and everything.
I never thought about the universe, it made me feel small. Never thought about the problems of this planet at all. Global warming, radioactive sites, imperialistic wrongs, and animal rights. No! Why think all the bad things when life is so good? Why up with an M when there's always a could? Let the whales worry about the poisons in the sea. Outside of California, it's foreign policy. I don't want changes, I've no reactions. Your dilemmas are my distractions. That's the way to go, Franco, un-American. No way to go, Franco, un-American. No way to go, Franco, un-American. No way to go, Franco, Franco, un-American. Now I'm always depressed, and now I can't sleep from years of apathy. All because I read a little Noam Chomsky. I'm eating vegetation cause of fast food nation. I wear a couple of shoes cause of globalization. I'm watching Michael Moore expose the awful truth. I'm listening to Public Enemy and Reagan Youth. I see no world peace cause of zealous armed forces. I eat no breast mints cause I'm from the hooked horses. Now I can't believe what an absolute failure. The president's laughing cause he voted for Nader. That's no way to go, Franco, un-American. No way to go, Franco, un-American. No way to go, Franco, un-American. Where can we go, Franco, un-American? I wanna move north and be a Canadian, or head down low with the nice Australians. I don't wanna be another I don't care again. What are we gonna do, Franco, Franco, un-American?
See here, his foot gone. The other leg gone. The face basically destroyed. Got cotton coming out. Got cotton everywhere. Look at his back. Utter destruction. Got like 5 or 6 cuts. Hope you guys enjoyed. No stuffed animals were harmed in the making of this video.